Here are 3 secret Windows shortcuts that almost nobody uses, and they'll save you serious time. I'll demo each shortcut, explain when to use it, and share one pro tip for each. Let's get started. Shortcut number 1, Windows plus period. This instantly opens the emoji and symbols panel. You can add emojis anywhere, in Word, emails, or even coding comments. Pro tip, switch to the Symbols tab to quickly insert things like the degree sign, arrows, or check marks without wasting time in Character Map. Shortcut number 2, Windows plus Shift plus S. This launches the snipping toolbar. You can take a rectangle snip, freeform snip, or a full-screen screenshot, copied instantly to your clipboard. Pro tip, after you take a snip, click the notification to edit and annotate before pasting or sharing. Shortcut number 3, Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Instead of pasting messy text with different fonts and colors, this shortcut pastes plain text. It works in Chrome, Google Docs, Slack, and even Microsoft Word if you enable it. Pro tip, install Microsoft PowerToys to make this shortcut work globally across almost every app. Quick recap, Windows plus period, Windows plus Shift plus S, and Ctrl plus Shift plus V. 3 shortcuts to speed up your workflow and make you look like a power user. Follow for more daily Windows hacks and comment 1 if you learned something new today.